Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we will guide you through the process of setting up a shipping address in the Puma app on your mobile phone. Whether you're a new user or just need to update your delivery details, this video will make the process simple and clear. First, open the Puma app on your phone. Look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, from the menu, click on My Profile. Then select the Address Book option to manage your delivery addresses. After opening the address book, click on Add New Address. You will see fields to fill in your details. Enter your full name, house number, street name, city, and postal code. Then select your country from the available list. After that, provide a valid phone number to ensure the delivery team can contact you if needed. If you want this address to be your main shipping location, check the box to make it your default address. Finally, tap on Save to complete the process and confirm that your address is added successfully. Once saved, your orders will automatically use this address. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.